The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips, trunk. You're going to get it all with this one, folks. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to lie on your side with a pillow under your head. And you want your top arm to be in this position right here. So I'm not like straight out, I'm a little bit overhead. Legs are atop one another. And then what you're going to do is you're going to sequence these things moving at the same time. So I'm going to kind of roll my arm around like this, kind of like an open book or a shoulder clock position. My sternum's going to turn, and then I'm going to lift my leg up just like so, like I'm doing a clamshell. And I'm going to move all this together, slow, nasal breathe throughout until I complete the roll onto the other side, and then you're going to rinse and repeat just back the other way. It's really nice, slow, easy, very lazy. Should feel like not a lot happening. And that's good because we're trying to get you to move with less tension. Just like that. It's going to be just from side to side, easy peasy. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.